What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we got to get right to it. Got so much stuff to go over. Of course, I'm back, baby. Today, Thursday, and we doing the giveaway. Of course, we're doing the airdrop for Drip. You know what I'm saying? We're doing the airdrop on Drip, man, but we got to hurry up and get through this Avalanche stuff. This, man, I'm telling you, this, ecosystem, I'm telling you, man, the money is flowing in. This thing can make you rich, bro. I'm trying to tell you. So, but look here. This is what we got going on, man. Start with Dragon's Lair. This thing is still pumping. Now, you see when I did my video yesterday, it had like 3.8 million or something in there yesterday. Your boy do a video, $1 million come in. Just in less than 24 hours. That's just what I do, baby. I move the meter. I mean, I'm saying, I teach people how to make money. I showed you how to bridge over here. Showed you how to get your Ethereum, how to get your AVAX, and how to get these gains, baby. Look at this. This thing is still paying. Look at this. Is ridiculous. This thing is still paying 3,000% with drag and AVAX. Look at the price going up, bro. Look at the video. When I showed it to you, I think it was like $16 or something. The price is going up. And the percentage is staying high. And I got 5 more hundo to get out. I got out about 400 at 1 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up, got another 500. All I do is withdraw. Let me show you. And you get my AVAX. Let me show you. Just hit withdraw. No, not that. My bad. I want to harvest. I don't want to get out. Withdraw to get out. You don't want to get out. I mean, you want to get out eventually. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to just, you know what I'm saying, stay in there forever. But that's a crypto solo sport. Only thing I can do is show it to you. When you get in and out, that's on you. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me show you how to do this thing, man. It just hit harvest. And it's pretty fast, too, man. It's pretty fast. But you know they're going to be fast on video. As soon as you say something fast, it's going to be slow. Every time. Every time, man. But you can do it yourself. You'll see how fast it is, for real, for real. There we go. Bam. Let's get it, baby. And all I do is go to exchange right here. And the price was higher than that. Man, last night the price, man, that thing jumped up. Well, I was like, what? But you know how it go, man. You know, you got to ride it out. Come on now. Let's get this money. Oh, there it is. Bam. Bam. See, look at that. The price had got up way up here, bro. Hey, man. Because I think it's a limited supply. All I do is take that, swap it around. Free AVAX. Free Avalanche, bro. Free Avalanche. What do you mean? Oh, you got to go, there you go. Bam. Look at that. And the liquidity is there. So, man, this thing is crazy. Free Avalanche, man. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to get to Avalanche in a minute. The whole ecosystem. I'm going to show you something. The whole ecosystem, bro. And if you don't know how to get on the Avalanche, then watch my video from yesterday. It's very simple. So that's all I do with that, man. That's the Dragon's Lair. You know what I'm saying? Things still paying out like crazy. The TVL is going up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, let's keep moving. Where we going to go next? We can go over here to Trader Joe. Let me show you Trader Joe, man. Let me show you Trader Joe. Trader Joe. Let me go back over here to farm. Bam. What do you mean failed transaction? Let's start this shit on video. What I'm doing now? Where it gonna take me? Take me back. Dang, I came out my trade. Oh, let me go right here. Go to exchange. Do this live on video, baby. Ain't no edit. Ain't no edit, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're gonna try this again. Come on. We'll do max. Take off some of these long ass numbers. That's what we're finna do. Long numbers, baby. Take that on up out of there. Let's go. See what we got. Bam. I ain't upping no gas. Don't start that now. Don't start trying to make me. Well, the fees are cheap though. But you know how we do. We want the cheap ass. Let me see how. I ain't never edit the gas. Let me see how you do that. My gas fee. Which one? Man, they got 3 of them. I don't know what one to do, but I might be killing myself. Let's see what that do. They got 3 of them, boy. Hey, that's how you learn the ecosystem, man. Do all this stuff. That's why I show it to you. Man, the video getting long already. Y'all gotta suffer this one out, man. I'm gonna do the giveaway at the end, but I gotta show you this ecosystem, man. Good, bad, ugly, how I do it. Everything. That's what we do. Bam, it went through. See that? Now anybody else would have edited that out and tried to make everything look good. Your boy keep it all the way 100. Now I got 32 AVAC. Now let's moving on over Trader Joe. Go to this farm over here, man. See what we got. Just type in Joe, make it simple. There it is. Bam. Joe USD. Now look here. I just got in this last night too. I put 7,000. I might go up to 20,000 because I love the Joe token, man. Look at this thing. I got 6 free. That's free money. Free money, bro. Let me see. How much is Joe? How much is Joe? Pangolin. Look at that. That's 240. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Everything in this ecosystem is just making money, bro. I'm telling you. Look at Joe. Look at this, bro. It's free money. This ain't up 36%. Everything on the ecosystem, man. I'm trying to tell you. Let me show you. It's some. I ain't even got the storm swap, man. I got to get away this money, so I got to go fast. Pangolin. I'm over here. Look on Pangolin over here, man. Look, I've got some AVACs just staking. Look. Show you this. It's so much money. It's free money, bro. I get these free PNs. I just showed you that. Free. Claim that. Well, I'll do that in a minute. All this stuff is free. But look, Pangolin just like Uniswap, man. Look, just like Uniswap. It's Uniswap. Look at the volume, up 50%. Now you scroll down here, and this is how you can look. This is how you can tell a strong ecosystem. Look at the green. Only thing that's down is the stable coin. Everybody's in the coins. Remember I was telling you about Key? I love Key. It's up 16%. Look at Yak. Yak up 32%. Avalanche, that's the launch pad, up 26%. This is just 24. Penguin. I ain't even told you about Penguin. It's up 33%. Man, I'm telling you, man. Penguin, like I just said, up 23%. AVAX, up. AVAX is what? It was $50 just yesterday. That thing $64. I'm telling you, man, this this ecosystem is booming. And Joe ain't even on here. And look, let me show you something about Yak. Show you how much Yak is. Yak $12,000, bro. And it's up 32%. Man, I'm trying to tell you, man. But anyway, man, let's get to this giveaway, man. If you don't want to get on Avalanche, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I can just lead a horse to water. I can't make him drink. No referral link or nothing. This just free information. No Patreon, no membership. Free information on this, man. This ecosystem is booming. They're giving away money. Oh, boy, before we do the giveaway, let me tell you about the BNB miner. Remember that thing was at 2,000 with something yesterday? This thing is over 3,000 BNB. BNB $400 a piece, bro. This thing is over 3,000 BNB in the contract, paying 3% a day. 3% a day on your BNB. That's why the contract growing. Easy money, man. Easy money. BNB miner is paying out straight cash, man. I know how to make some money, bro. If I don't know how to do nothing else, I know how to make some money, bro. Link in the description, man, for that BNB miner. It won't stop, baby. But we got to get to number one. That drip, baby, this for the small team. Big team, you know, we got the airdrop coming tomorrow. This for the small people right here, man. So what we going to do, let's see what we got. Something over there. We're going to claim that right there. Claim that. Come on. Come on, Binance. Let's show them how it's done, baby. Binance said we ain't dead. We ain't dead. We still here. Let's go, Binance. Like I said, man, to get on Avalanche, look at this video yesterday. I'm showing you how to bridge it over, how to get your ETH over to the Avalanche platform and get your AVAX. All right, we got that on over here. Now let's go down here to the P. But let me copy. Oh, it already now. That's what we got. Team airdrop. Bam. Let's make this quick, baby. Let's make this quick. Use my address. Divide between all matching players. Yeah. What? Oh, no. I forgot. I ain't finna do the thing will be 100. Goddamn, folks. No, sir. Well, my wrist already hurting now from moving this mouse. You think I'm finna sit here for 80 more minutes? Minimum directs. Good luck to everybody, though. I love this because it's random. That's what I love about this. The computer pick it. I don't pick it. People can't be talking about, man, you don't like me and you don't never pick me. I ain't picking nobody. The computer picking it. The drip picking it. This is straight drip. I tell Forex Shark to pick you. I ain't doing nothing. Minimum directs, none. Team depth, first line. Minimum drip 25, but you can get 25 drip for $4, man. Come on now. Come on. You ain't got 25 drip by now, then I don't care about you. Budget, what we gonna do? At 121? How much I'm gonna give away? How much I'm gonna give away? I give away too much money, man. Let me see. What it is? 20? I give away 40. I give away 40. So if you got 25, boy, you doing good, boy. I give away 40. I give away old 40. Run it. That's what we got. Bam, here we go. Shout out to everybody, man. They just made it with 27 drip. They getting the airdrop though. It's all random, baby. So shout out to you. If you made the cut, you know what I'm saying? Now somebody got 5 referral. I need to get them some extra. But anyway, so we're gonna hit it like this. One day I'm gonna do the whole video to show you how long this take, man. Just these 12. I'm gonna show you how long this take. It's too long today, but one day I'm gonna show you. So each person get 2 drips. Shout out to y'all, man. Hey, the Forex say the game is coming or whatever. So hey, price might be wanting to get you some drip. I think drip $12. Remember this video? You might want to load up at $12, bro. You might want to load up. You know what I'm saying? Now look at this. This gonna take all day. I gotta do this 20 times, bro. Y'all don't appreciate your boy, man. I need to stop doing that drop like everybody. I like I done forgot. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy.